Yes. She samples it. And then he samples it. Oh, she got it from him that time. This has been the newest thing. I try it. Make sure it's good. Seems good. Do you think it's good? You're right. I think it's good too. Is it good? Yeah, it's good. You can have it. Does it taste better after the dog licks on it a little bit? Oh, she done stole that piece from me, didn't she? She done stole that piece. Yes, sir. That's funny, huh? It's really dark. Let's move your little sea of toys here and see if it isn't any better. This way. I'm sorry. Okay. You try it? Oh, you just gave it to her, huh? She took your meat, huh? There's only a couple pieces left. Yeah, you give it a whirl. Well, son, they're the